Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the Beggars Woodshop. Last night, before I went to bed, I checked the messages and everything of the channel, and I noticed, yes, we did it. No, we didn't just hit. We actually went over 1,000 subscribers. Yes! Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for all your support and all your help. I'm so happy we made it. Now we just need to get those public watch hours, verified public, whatever it is YouTube keeps changing it to. We got to get those up. I had a tank starting last year for some reason. It's been about a year. This has all been a long time coming. I'm very thankful to each and every one of you. Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for the support. I wish I could do something big here. I just don't know what. But yes, I just wanted to take the time to say thank you. Thank you very much. New video will be coming out, when is that? A week from Friday, I believe it is. Yes, a week from Friday. And then there'll be another video that follows that with a bunch of surprises. So stay tuned. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And hopefully I will see you all next time right here on the Beggars Woodshop.